we made it. We're on board. Our first flight was delayed until 2, but we were able to luckily get on an earlier flight. So yes, and then we have a 1-hour layover. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Yeah, we get to sit together.
Yes, I know.
Because on the first one we weren't going to sit together. So now we're together. We have less than really 40 minutes to get there, but it's all the way across the airport. So here we go. Getting on the next one. And now we're waiting for the shuttle to the Disneyland Hotel. And here is our Carmel shuttle that we're taking to the Disneyland Hotel. Our first view of mountains from the ground level. Oh, so fun. Okay, we are here. Where are we at?
We're at Disneyland Hotel.
Yes, we are. We made it. We're so excited. So our room isn't ready yet. We did get pixie dusted though. We got 2 different rooms on the 3 nights that we're staying, and they upgraded us to the better room. So yay! But anyway, since the room isn't ready yet, we're gonna head over to Disney Springs. Is that what it's called here?
Yes,
downtown Disney.
No, downtown Disney.
It's downtown Disney.
I'm hungry.
All right, let's go get some food. After going through security, we're in. It's less than a 5-minute walk. It is so fast here in California. Oh my goodness, it's crazy how quick and easy it is to get to everything. So nice. When you first enter, there's an adorable Disneyland Presents the 50 Years of Main Street Electrical Parade photo spot. Let's get a picture. And of course, no Disney trip is complete without getting a new set of ears. Oh my goodness, look at these. These Ariel ears are incredible. And then look at these down here. Oh my gosh. So perfect. They're $29.99. It's time to make the donuts. So many cute shops and restaurants. I know we are starving. We haven't eaten anything through 2 flights. So we are on the lookout for something delicious. So we've only taken a few steps in, but it feels less crowded and a lot more open here. I really like the flow. Downtown Disney is actually a lot smaller than it is at Disney Springs in Orlando. Here we are at La Brea Bakery. We're gonna step inside and have lunch there. When I was doing all of the research for coming here at Downtown Disney, this was the one place I really wanted to go to. So we got lucky enough to do a walk-up at La Brea, and the minute we walked up, we got a seat. So they have soups and salads and sandwiches and all that good stuff here. I have heard fantastic things about the bread bowl, so I'm getting the mac and cheese bread bowl. And then the girls are gonna get chicken and I think a grilled cheese. And a view of the monorail from the table. How cool is that? There is my mac and cheese bowl. Well here, let me make it into a Mickey. There we go. It's a Mickey mac and cheese bowl. And here is Courtney's.
I took a lot of the sauces and all the, there were supposed to be Brussels sprouts with them. No thank you, I want French fries.
All
so,
right.
Got this.
Perfect. And here's Caitlin's grilled cheese and Frenchy fries. All right, so Courtney, what do you think of your lunch?
I loved it. I got just chicken and fries, and you just can't go wrong.
That's true. It looked really tender and juicy.
It did. Made me full.
That's good. Hey, then it fulfilled what it needed to do. Yeah, I had the mac and cheese bread bowl. It was so great. The mac and cheese was yummy, and then the bread bowl was like nice and crispy.
The bread was great. I had some of the bread.
Really good stuff. And then Caitlin had the
Grilled cheese.
The grilled cheese was really good too. I had like part of her sandwich too. Again, the bread was amazing. So, yep, this is definitely one to hit up. All right, now that we finished our lunch, we're gonna head into the World of Disney to do a little shopping. And when we first walk in, Nightmare Before Christmas, check out this bucket hat. How awesome is this? For $29. I am loving the Disneyland spirit jersey, that raspberry color, for $74. That's hilarious. Look at this Monsters University shirt with the XXXXXXXXL. But technically, it's a large for $36. Found an Orange Bird stuffy here in Orange County, California for $29.99. Mighty Thor ears for $30. These were always a tradition for the girls to get whenever we went to Disney World, was to get these lollipops. Ah, memories. Now that shopping is all done, let's get a treat at the Salt and Straw. I think we're all actually going to try the sea salt and caramel ribbon. With a quick stop at Marceline's Confectionery, we are getting another family favorite, the candy apples. So I think that's gonna do it for our downtown Disney walk around. The vibe here is so awesome. It's a bit smaller, but it's so relaxed and low-key. I really, really like it here a lot. So now let's head over to our Disneyland hotel and see if we can get in. And I'll give you guys a little bit of a room tour and maybe even a resort tour. So check-in is actually in the Fantasy Tower. So let's go in and take a look. When you first enter, you have this beautiful map of Disneyland. Oh my goodness. And it has like all of these little cool light up details. That Tinkerbell's light going. It's got the Ferris wheel up there. It's a very cool view to see the map of Disneyland. First enter, you'll walk over there. Hotel registration is right there. And when you're here, make sure to get a picture of yourself in a teacup.
You know the spinny teacups?
Yes. Spin it.
This one.
Woo! On this wall across from the elevators is pictures of all the famous people who have stayed at the Disneyland Hotel. Disneyland Hotel through the decades. These are the founders. Here's the Disneyland Hotel in the 1950s and 60s and what it kind of looked like. Look at that iconic one right there. And within the 70s and 80s. Look at Minnie. Very cool wall of Disney memorabilia through the years. Wow. We are in the Fantasy Tower, 2126. And here's the room. So over to the right is the bathroom, and it is absolutely adorable. Look at those light fixtures. So great. And then, so we have the potty over here, and got a picture of Dumbo, and then we have a shower bathtub combo. And then you have a full closet right here, and then an adjoining room right there, and then 2 queen size beds, and this is amazing. Oh my goodness. Got the desk here and the drawers. Look at these handles. Oh my goodness. And in here you have a small refrigerator, and then you've got your Keurig coffee, and check out this mirror. How adorable is that mirror? And there's all these little hidden Mickeys everywhere. So you've got one right there in the lampshade, or in the lamp, and then this one is in the lamp shade right there. So fun. And the best part, look at this view of the pools. We got so lucky with the monorail slides. So great. So yeah, we got really lucky. The view is incredible. So the headboard lights up like a night light and plays the musical tune. So great. Pillows start with, a dream is a wish your heart makes. And then over here it finishes up, when you're fast asleep. So amazing, oh my gosh. And then you've got this, is that Princess Aurora's castle? I think it is. So Sleeping Beauty's castle, right there. Absolutely incredible room. I love it so much, I could stay here forever. Now that we're all unpacked and settled in the room, let's take a walking tour of the resort. The Disneyland Hotel was built in 1955, the same year that Disneyland opened. But the Disneyland Corporation didn't acquire it until 1988. There are 3 towers, the Fantasy Tower, the Adventure Tower, and the Frontier Tower. The Fantasy Tower has topiaries and flowers. The Adventure Tower is surrounded by palm trees, and the Frontier Tower has pine trees and scrubby shrubs around it. The check-in lobby or registration is at the Fantasy Tower. There are over 970 guest rooms and 71 suites at the Disneyland Hotel. The Fantasy and Adventure Towers are 11 stories high. The Frontier Tower, being the tallest, is 14 stories high and the only one with balconies, which is great for watching the fireworks. The Disneyland Hotel also has Goofy's Kitchen. It has character dining, and often you'll see characters walking around the resort. There are 2 pools, the D-ticket pool and the E-ticket pool. The names are an homage to when the attractions used to cost tickets to ride. The E-tickets being the best. Within those pools is the monorail slides. The red one, we're told, is a bit faster, and the yellow is on the slower side. There are cats that roam around the Disneyland property. At one time, they had taken the feral cats away, but the mouse population grew so much that they brought those feral cats back. There's one of them right there. I will say I love the theming of this resort. I really, really do. I think it's just absolutely beautiful, each with its own grounds and its own theming, and then the theming of the 3 towers, absolutely beautiful. And the convenience of having downtown Disney and the 2 theme parks so close. So totally convenient. I love it here. I think that's gonna do it for today. We'll see you tomorrow at our very first day at Disneyland. I cannot wait. It's my daughter's, both Caitlin and Courtney's, first day, so should be a lot of fun. Thanks for watching Rix Flix, and now it's time to relax.